meaning and then getting
Mbira ndo international music yemuZimbabwe. Tingade kutsvaga zvinhu zvese tikaningirira hakuna international music yemuZimbabwe nekupfuura Mbira. Ende kataza hapana munhu atambodzika nemusic yemuZimbabwe kunze kwenyika isiri Mbira. Kunatsodya unatsoita real money chaichai. Mbira ndo international music yemuZimbabwe. Whether mairidza pambira kana mairidza pamagitara like to yatukuimbira futi Victor unongaimbira futi Mukanya imbira Choniso mbira of course mune musound tonight
Yeah, sorry. I was just in studio now. I was busy.
You can fuse that name. Because most of the yenyu sound, you don't even need to sing in English.
Just
they are international. Choniso
I
Sakana sound as long as sound you can sing in any language and people just.
How long will that stay?
Can we do that stage thing?
That's Zimbabwe. As long as sound yako is Zimbabwe, you don't have to worry too much. From there to Kadaku song is good.
No copyright.
Right.
1349 in the studio right now. Our guest, Clive Monomkundu. A lot of words there, Clive.
Yeah, I talk too much, but I'm a very quiet person. I know, ningiri chokwadi cheseka kushinda na mamota. Kana kushinda mota uti pamusori dambo kushinda mota munhu obva atambara ndokutopata kuti ginyo pamashina ogumuka opopota kushauda then mota rapera zoti guys makaita bho kana zvaizoti saitani chokwadi you need to be polite and just hit it kuti kawan bra. Atambira asina hapana zvingofo zvakadaro.
Now we were getting into the whole Zimbabwean sound and everything, and then we have a comment coming through. But kana uchita marine sound yevamwe, why pressure to come up with your own?
Yeah, that's a good point. If you are making money, but the issue is about making money. Because the book is called Poor and Famous. So we don't want to be poor and famous. So if you are making money with foreign music, as long as we are making money, but in the history of Zimbabwe, the people who have made real money and made an impact worldwide, it's people who are playing sound which is very Zimbabwean. This is not new, because remember we had rock and roll, Tina Eye of Liberty, Manu Kambani was called the Jimi Hendrix of Zimbabwe. He was a serious rock guitarist, and but all of them, they died paupers. Anyone who hated why? Because the sound was foreign and it's difficult. Because in what works in South Africa cannot work in Zimbabwe. So as an artist, you need to do your research. Do your research and one out in Zimbabwe and look back in history. That's why it started history but it is what because history is not creative. History is not creative, it keeps repeating itself. Saka you need to check that. Saka styles of music, Panama styles of music asingaunze mari muno muZimbabwe. Unoita mbiri ugorizwa paredio ugoita sei but unongosina kana chii. And even for most, do you know 99.9% emartists edu anoenda kudiaspora unoridzira maZimbabweans. Those are not international shows.
That's true. Kungunda ngokwira wondeg.
Unoridzira maZimbabweans 50 muka classroom. That's not an international show.
Just a quick one from me before